In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord overlay not working on Windows 10 11. If your in-game overlay isn't showing up, don't worry. This walkthrough will get you up and running quickly by checking the most common settings that control the overlay. First, we'll make sure the overlay is enabled globally inside Discord. Open Discord and head to User Settings by clicking the small gear icon. In the left sidebar, scroll to Activity Settings and select Overlay. Here, look for the Enable In-Game Overlay switch and turn it on. This setting is what allows the overlay to appear at all, so if it's off, nothing will show in any game. After you switch it on, click OK or Save so the change sticks. If you've never used the overlay before, you can also note the overlay toggle shortcut displayed on this page. This lets you show or hide the overlay while you're in a game. But the key thing right now is that the global toggle is on. Next, let's enable the overlay for your specific game. Still in User Settings, go to Registered Games. You should see a list of games Discord detects. Find the game you're trying to use and make sure the overlay switch next to it is turned on. This is a per-game control, so even if the global overlay is enabled, it won't appear unless it's enabled for that particular title. If your game isn't listed, launch the game while Discord is open. Discord usually detects it automatically once it's running. After it appears in the list, toggle the overlay on for it. If a launcher is showing instead of the actual game, close the launcher, open the game itself, and check again so Discord links to the right process. Finally, run Discord as an administrator. Some games won't allow overlays unless Discord has elevated permissions. Fully close Discord, including from the system tray, make sure it's not still running in the background, then right-click the Discord icon and choose Run as Administrator. Once Discord is open with admin rights, launch your game and check for the overlay. This simple change resolves a lot of cases where the overlay is blocked by the game or by Windows permission rules. That's it. By enabling the global overlay, turning it on for your specific game, and running Discord as an administrator, you cover the most common reasons the overlay doesn't appear. Give these a try in order, test your game after each change, and you should see the overlay pop up as expected. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to chatting without missing a moment of gameplay.